You have a pair of Beats Solo 4 and you want to replace the ear pads. My name is Or from Wicked Cushions, and in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So let's start the video. Okay, so it's going to be very simple. For today's video I'm going to be using our Wicked Cushions 90s black ear pads. And in the package you will also receive a removal tool. So let's remove the old ear pads. On the removal tool you'll see one edge that is basically flat. What you want to do, the way to remove these ear pads is you are going to shove that flat surface in between the ear pad and the plastic, okay? By the way, if you see this video 2 years from now and your ear pads are very worn out, I've seen situations where the foam is already sticking out, you still got to remember, do not just pull the foam out. You have to remove the plastic base of the ear pad. Let me show you how a new ear pad looks like. A new ear pad has glue on the back and has a flat, like a very strong plastic surface that the ear pad sits on top. If you remove the ear pad 2 years from now and it's very worn out and you just pull the foam out, you're still going to leave the plastic base of the ear pad attached to the headset. So make sure you still need to remove the plastic base if you end up removing the ear pad when it's totally worn out. So you're going to shove this flat edge under the ear pad and you're simply going to separate it slowly from several sides until it is easy to remove. The way these ear pads are installed is with glue, basically. Alright, once it's starting to come loose, I'm still gonna go a little bit more on here. Alright, now that we removed it, sometimes the adhesive will be stuck to the back, sometimes you'll have it right here on the actual headset. So in this case, there's a little bit on the headset, on the ear cup. I'm just going to remove it. By the way, when the ear cup is exposed, when the ear pad is off, make sure to not drop any liquid or any small items into the speaker area. If you do that, it might ruin your headset. All right, so we removed one side. Now let's remove the other one. The side I removed, by the way, is the left side. You can tell because the right side is the side that has the USB charging port. All right, so it looks like the right side was a little bit easier and the adhesive stayed on the back. All right, now let's take out the new ear pads. So as I told you, the right ear pad is the one with the USB cutout and the left ear pad does not. Both of them have adhesive on the back. We have pull tabs for the adhesive. Now on the right side, it's very easy to know which one is the bottom of the ear pad. It's where the USB cutout is. And on the left side, simply look, try to get it clear for you, simply look for the seam on the ear pad. The seam marks the bottom of the ear pad. So let's start with the left side. By the way, if you look at the headset, try to get a good look for you right here. So if you look at the headset, there is two sticking prongs on the headset, right here and right here. These are for alignment. Sometimes when you remove the ear pad, these will break. Nothing on the headphone will stop working if these break. These are simply for alignment. As you can see, you have two holes on the ear pad. When you align it, it just is easier to align for installing the ear pad. If it broke off, it doesn't matter. You can still install the ear pad. You're still going to align it as if the prongs were still there. So let's start with the left one. This is the bottom, the seam. Simply going to peel the adhesive, align it to the prongs. I'll put one in one hole and then the other hole, and then simply going to push it so the adhesive sticks. And then we'll move to the right side. Same thing, align the hole. Now what you can do for the adhesive to really adhere into place, although the adhesive is very, very strong, you can simply find something like maybe 3 or 4 books, set them like this, and then apply the pressure on the headset so the cushion will stay basically under pressure and get pushed into the headset. Also, if you do that, make sure not to extend the headset too much. All right. And that is pretty much it. You have successfully replaced the earpads. And that is it for today's video, everyone. I really hope that it was helpful. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us. Our contact information is in the description below. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this every month. I will see you on the next one. Meanwhile, stay wicked, my friends.